everyone, welcome to my channel Data Universe. Here you will find practical SQL tutorials, tips on mastering SQL for data analytics. Let's start and grow together. How to handle null values. A null value in a relational database is used when the value in a column is unknown or missing. Null values can lead to inaccurate conclusion. Therefore, we need to handle these null values. To replace null value with the known values, if null and the Coalesce functions are used. So, let's see the practical. For all practicals, I am using my SQL workbench. Here I have created database SQL question and I am using SQL question database. I have created employee table which will have employee ID, name, department, age, salary. Here I have kept null values in age and salary column. Let's see the effect of null values. If we execute select average employee salary from employee, it will return 53,333. As per our records, it should show 40,000. It is not considering null record. It is considering only 3 employee and not 4. So because of that we got this result 53,333. We will replace this null value using function Coalesce where select asterisk Coalesce employee salary comma 0 from employee. Here we are replacing null value with 0. So let's see. Now the null value is replaced with 0. To modify this value in the table, we will use update command, update employee, set employee salary is equal to colons employee salary comma 0. This will modify the original table. So if you see the table now, the null value is replaced with 0. And if we calculate the average salary again, it will show 40,000 which is accurate. So now it is considering all 4 records for calculation. Similarly, we can use Ifnull function to replace null value. Here we will execute the statement select asterisk if null employee age comma 18 from employee, where we will replace null value in the age column with 18. Now this null value is replaced with 18. To modify table, we will use update command. So now the value in the table is replaced with 18. For the employee ID 2, it was null, now it is replaced with 18. So in this way, the colons and if null functions are used to replace the null values. Your likes in this video motivates me to create more valuable content. Please subscribe the channel, like the video and press bell notification to learn more SQL concepts.